to our cabaret. Don't wait to be invited. Just check your bloom, you'll all find room. Come in and get excited. Then shake your feet, sit down and eat corned beef or macaroni. Our food's well spiced, but when it's sliced, it's just a lot of baloney. Roast duck. Hey, beef stew. Make that two. Why don't you wake up and chop that steak up and... Hey! And 1 cup of custard. Plenty of mustard. Change those potatoes to French fried tomatoes and... Oh! One roast lamb. I've on ham. Make up ambitious, there's my pernicious, mach schnell. Where's my roast duck? Here we come, mister. Right on the way. Nice hot roast duck with the gravy just oozing out.
I have to have muffin, but when I'm having my muffin, I have to have poo-poo-ba-doo-be-dow. Muffin. Oh, I must have my muffin, but when I'm having my muffin, I have to have you. I'm so blue, waiting for you to come. Oh, I can't go on like this. Give me a kiss and make me poo-poo-ba-doo-ba-doo. I want to make whoopee, and if I want to make whoopee, I have to have poo-ba-doo-ba-doo-ba-doo, poo-poo-ba-doo, whoopee.
Da 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 da.
style to that. You better give me some of that.